A portable tire inflator is a compact, easy-to-use device that lets you quickly inflate car, bike, or SUV tires anytime, anywhere. Ideal for emergencies or regular maintenance, these inflators combine speed, convenience, and accuracy, helping you maintain proper tire pressure and ensure safer, more efficient driving. Starting at number 1, AVID Power Tire Inflator. The AVID Power Tire Inflator portable air compressor is a versatile, cordless air pump designed for quick and convenient tire inflation. Powered by a 20V rechargeable battery or a 12V car adapter, it ensures you can inflate tires anywhere without worrying about a dead battery. The digital pressure gauge and auto shutoff feature allow you to set your desired PSI, and the compressor stops automatically once reached, preventing overinflation. With a rapid airflow, it can inflate standard car tires in just a few minutes and is also suitable for motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and small inflatables. Its ergonomic design, LED light, and compact size make it easy to use and store, ideal for roadside emergencies and regular maintenance. However, it is not recommended for large tires, high-volume inflatables, or heavy-duty use. Number 2, DEWALT Tire Inflator. The DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator, DC2IB, is a powerful and versatile portable air pump designed for convenient tire inflation and other inflating tasks. It features a high-pressure mode with automatic shutoff, stopping once your preset pressure is reached to prevent overinflation. The inflator can be powered by a 20V max battery, a 12V DC car outlet, or a standard 110V AC plug, offering flexibility for use at home, on the road, or outdoors. With built-in LED lighting, onboard accessory storage, a secure threaded chuck, and heavy-duty rubber feet to reduce movement during operation, it's ideal for car tires, bike tires, sports equipment, air mattresses, and small inflatables. Compact yet durable, this DEWALT inflator is a reliable tool for both everyday maintenance and emergency roadside use. Number 3, BLACK+DECKER Tire Inflator. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Portable Air Compressor, BDINF 20C, is a versatile inflator that operates with 3 power sources, a 20V Max battery sold separately, a standard 120V outlet, or a 12V DC car adapter, making it convenient for home, travel, or roadside use. It features a digital pressure gauge to set and monitor your target pressure, along with an automatic shutoff that stops inflation once the desired level is reached, preventing overinflation. With high pressure and high volume outputs, this inflator is ideal for car and bike tires, sports equipment, air mattresses, rafts, and other inflatables, while also offering a deflate function for quick air removal. Its compact portable design and included adapters make it a reliable and handy tool for everyday maintenance and emergency situations. Number 4, Ontel Air Hawk Pro. The Ontel Air Hawk Pro automatic cordless tire inflator is a compact battery-powered portable air compressor designed for convenient tire inflation and other inflating tasks. It features an easy-to-read digital pressure gauge and an auto shutoff function that stops inflation once the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. The inflator runs on a rechargeable battery and also includes a 12V car adapter, making it usable at home, on the road, or during travel. With a flexible air hose and multiple nozzles, it works for car and bike tires, sports equipment, and small inflatables. Its lightweight, portable design makes it an ideal emergency and maintenance tool to keep in your car or toolbox. Number 5, MaxMore Portable Tire Inflator. The MaxMore Portable Tire Inflator is a cordless high-pressure air compressor compatible with 20V batteries sold separately, designed for fast and convenient inflation and deflation. With a maximum output of 160 psi and high-volume airflow of up to 400 Lmin, it can inflate a standard car tire from flat to 35 psi in about 2 minutes. Its built-in digital gauge and auto shutoff allow you to preset the desired pressure, automatically stopping once reached to prevent overinflation. Compact and portable, it comes with multiple nozzles and accessories, making it suitable for car and bike tires, sports balls, air mattresses, and small inflatables. An ideal tool for home, travel, or emergency use.